What's up YouTube? This is Big Pat the Fit MD and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do biceps and triceps and we're going to start off with a superset of dips and the straight barbell curl. Now a superset is when you do two exercises in succession without rest. Alright, so we're going to start off, this is a warm-up of the dips and the barbell curl. So you psych yourself up and then we're going to start the warm-up. This is going to be the body weight dip, and this is like a warm-up, so you want to warm up your triceps because this is what this exercise is working out, the triceps. And then right after you finish this dip set, you're going to go right into the barbell curl. All right, and no rest at all, between the dip and the barbell exercise. All right, so you're just gonna finish out this set right here, and then you're gonna get into the real deal. The real deal is when you start putting on the weight on the dip and the barbell. All right, so whenever you're doing these like heavy weighted exercises, you always want to start off light and then work your way up. All right, so I'm starting off with just 10 pounds attached to this chain that I use to do the dip. All right, this makes the exercise a little bit more challenging. All right, but I already warmed up, so that makes me feel better to prevent any kind of injury. All right, so here we go. This is the first set, all right, of 10. I'm gonna do 10 reps, and then without rest again, I'm gonna go right into the barbell curl. Now the barbell curl, I'm also gonna add about 20 pounds of weight to that too. All right, so this, like, I'm slowly increasing the intensity of the workout. All right, so I'm gonna do 10 reps of the barbell curl right now. All right, and you're really gonna start to feel the burn at this point in time. Now on the next set right after this, I'm gonna increase the weight again by probably about 50%. All right, but you just want to take about a 90-second break in between sets. Okay, you don't want to rest for too long. You see, now I have the 25 pounds on the dip. Now it's going to be a little bit more challenging. All right, but again, in between sets, you only want to rest for a max of 90 seconds. That's really important because you don't want to give your muscles time to recover. You want them to swell up, and you want to get the pump, is what they call it. All right, and what that does is it stretches out the muscle fascia in your arms, and then it forces your arms to get bigger. All right, and that's just for people that are trying to get big. If you're just trying to get defined and cut, you don't really have to worry about increasing the weight. You could just do a lot of repetitions and you'll get that job done. All right, so it's all about what your goals are. All right, so this is my heaviest barbell curl for this exercise, and after this I'm gonna really feel the burn, and that's the point of doing a superset. You're supposed to really feel the burn when you're done. All right, so that's it. Now I'm done with the superset. Now if you don't have a dip bar, you could substitute the dip bar with a pull down, a tricep pull down. You use the tricep pull down, 10 sets, and then you go into the barbell curl. You could also, if you don't have the pull down rope, you could use this is a skull crush, and substitute that, and then use that with the barbell bar. All right. Now this is the most important exercise for your arms. Don't ever skip the hammer curls. That's what I'm doing right here. And what this does is it makes your arm thick from the front. All right, because if you don't do this exercise, you're gonna look nice from the side, but when you are facing someone, your arm is gonna look really skinny. So for many years, I skipped this exercise and I paid for it dearly. All right, so don't forget the hammer curls. All right, so what I'm doing right now is just the basic single-handed dumbbell curls, and these are the typical barbell curl. I mean, not the barbell curl, the one-handed dumbbell curls. All right. Now, what I'm doing right now is a little variation of the dumbbell curl, and I'm curling to the side, and that helps you with your forearms and also makes your forearm look bigger. All right. So that's it. That's the exercise. All right. So if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.